Less than tittle greater than AVAXTRY coin. Will it rise or fall next? Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. Analyze the current price position of the AVAXTRY coin relative to short-term moving averages, e.g., 20-day, 50-day, 100-day. Provide a detailed comparison using specific figures to illustrate how the AVAXTRY price is performing against these moving averages. Explain how recent changes in trading volume correlate with price movements, using specific percentages or numerical values. For instance, detail how a recent surge or decline in volume by a certain percentage has impacted the AVAXTRY price. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Relative Strength Index, RSI, analysis. Determine the current RSI value and specify its level, e.g., overbought if above 70, oversold if below 30. Explain what recent changes in RSI values signify and analyze how the AVAXTRY has historically reacted at similar RSI levels, using specific data points. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Stochastic oscillator analysis. Analyze the current stochastic indicators in the market and determine whether they signal an overbought or oversold condition. Use historical data to explain how the AVAXTRY price has reacted in the past when similar stochastic values appeared, including specific dates and price levels. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. MACD and signal line analysis. Conduct a detailed analysis of the current MACD value and the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. Explain any historical patterns that are similar to the current scenario and how they influenced the AVAXTRY price movement. Describe what the MACD histogram suggests about future trends based on specific numerical values. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Bollinger Bands analysis. Determine precisely where the AVAXTRY price is situated within the Bollinger Bands, upper band, middle band, or lower band. Analyze expected volatility if the AVAXTRY price is outside the bands, using past data and specific figures to explain potential price movements. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Fibonacci retracement analysis. Analyze where the AVAXTRY price currently stands among key Fibonacci retracement levels, e.g., 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%. Provide numerical explanations of how the AVAXTRY has reacted at these levels in the past, including specific price points and dates. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Analyze the major lows and highs of the AVAXTRY over the past year. Detail when these peaks and troughs occurred and what the AVAXTRY price was at those times. Present average trading volumes and price fluctuations during this period, using specific numerical data. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. From a long-term perspective, analyze key levels where the AVAXTRY has received resistance or support. Include specific dates and price levels of highs and lows over the past 3 years. Analyze the correlation between long-term trading volume patterns and the AVAXTRY price movements, using detailed numerical data. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the chart analysis to within 500 words. Less than comprehensive analysis. Greater than conduct a thorough analysis of the numerical data and indicators from the charts to evaluate the current state of the AVAXTRY price and predict future movements. Analyze the numerical correlations between charts to assess the consistency among short-term, medium-term, and long-term trends. Written using a language specializing in local coin investment for American investors. The amount is written in dollars. Limit the comprehensive analysis to within 500 words. Use the AVAXTRY name at least 6 times throughout the content to ensure focus and relevance. Write in a professional and precise manner, using technical language appropriate for investors and analysts. Pay close attention to grammar and spelling to maintain a high level of professionalism in the document.